birthday, Lolo Pogi. We love you. Then, Lolo Aiden, I love you po.
Lolo Pogi.
Happy birthday, Lolo Pogi.
Look at the camera.
Happy birthday, Lolo Pogi.
What, Wowo?
Happy birthday, Lolo Pogi.
Yeah. Happy birthday to the most wonderful husband in the world. May your special day be filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. I am grateful to share each time and moment with you. Here's to many more unforgettable memories together. I love you, honey. I miss you, and I love you always. Love you.
Happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Love you.
Hi, Pa! Happy birthday! I love you so much. Thank you for everything. More birthdays to come. And I hope you enjoy your day. I love you!
Go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Whose birthday is
Dada.
Happy birthday, Dada.
Happy birthday, Dada.
I love you. See you soon. Bye, kiss.
Yes, you press the button.
Hi, Tito Aden. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga naitulong mo sa amin. Lalo na kay Mama. Wish ko na matupad na yung dinarasal mo kay Lord. And humaba palalo yung buhay mo. Yun lang. Mag-iingat palagi dyan. And I know in God's perfect time, magkakasama na kayo buong pamilya. We love you, Tito. Happy 50th birthday. God bless.
Hi, Tito Kiel. Happy birthday. From the Philippines. I hope you all the best, especially good health to you and to our family. So I'm so grateful to know you. Ingat kayo dyan, JM, no? Enjoy your day, celebrate, and hopefully pagpunta nyo dito, pagbalik nyo, makabawi ako kayo. So, happy birthday, Tito. Ingat.
Hello, good morning, especially kay Kuya Ezekiel. Happy birthday po, Kuya. Nawa sa iyong kaarawan sa araw na ito, ang panalangin ko po ay na maging healthy ang iyong pangangatawan kasama ang iyong pamilya, at kung nasan man po kayo ngayon, nawa kayo laging pagpalain ng ating Panginoon. Patuloy lang po tayo sa ating pagdarasal sa bawat isa, at bilang seminarista ng Missionary Servants of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, ako po ay kasama ang aking komunidad na binabati po kayo ng happy 50th birthday po sa inyo. Nawa, pagpalain pa po kayo ng ating Panginoon ng magandang kalusugan. And enjoy po, and God bless. Ingat! Happy birthday!
love you.